Whenever you finish using your BCS tractor and do not plan to use it again within 3 weeks, it is advisable to prepare the engine for storage. Start by turning off the fuel valve at the base of the tank of your engine. Set the throttle lever to its half to three-quarter position and let the engine continue running until it stalls. By emptying the carburetor bowl of gas, you will avoid the dual problems of condensation and ethanol separation. If you are not going to use your BCS for an even longer period of time, such as for the winter season, you should also do the following. Add the recommended amount of gas stabilizer to fresh 87-octane fuel and fill your tank. Run the engine for 10 minutes and, as described, turn it off by shutting the fuel valve and running the carburetor dry. The purpose of leaving the tank full is to prevent condensation inside your steel gas tank. For long periods of storage, Honda recommends another step. Using either a 5/8 socket with an extension or the special tool provided with your tractor, remove the spark plug. Pour in a teaspoon or about a capful of clean engine oil and slowly pull the recoil starter so that the piston rotates a few times, thereby spreading oil over the entire cylinder wall. And don't be alarmed next spring if the engine smokes for a few minutes after you start the engine for the first time. It's simply burning off this small amount of oil. Reinstall the spark plug, remembering not to over-tighten it. Just take an 1/8 to quarter turn to compress the washer after the plug is seated. Replace the boot, and finally slowly pull the recoil starter until you feel the resistance of full compression. At this point, the valves are seated and will prevent moisture from entering the cylinder chamber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.